I just noticed this light isn't working. It's plugged in, and the other lights plugged into the power bar are working, so I guess we have a bulb failure. That is unfortunate, because this is a very difficult fixture to change the bulb in. There we go. Okay, so what do we have here? An EcoSmart CFL. Well, I'm going to grab another light bulb here. Let's see, which one do we want to put into this? I got some CFLs over here. We have it's a General Electric one, a Long Star, some unbranded one. It's a 19 watts. So go with this one. Oh, that's very noisy. Well, forget about that one. Not using that. That thing is loud. I'll put one of these Long Star ones in there because I think those are okay. Kind of surprised that went out. It wasn't in there for very long at all. And you know, this fixture, when I put the shade on, I don't put it down all the way. I only put it down about halfway so that the air can get in there, and so the heat from the bulb will kind of convect out the top. So I'm kind of surprised that failed. That's too bad that was a 23 watts. Those are getting hard to come by. I can't get these in the stores anymore. I gotta get them on a computer. Is there a date on this thing? I can't even say that it's the brand issue because I happen to like this brand. Gross. Well, aside from that, these EcoSmart incandescent bulbs, these are fantastic. I use these all over the house. I've only had one go out over the course of several years. So I don't think this is a bad brand, but I don't know, perhaps the only thing that they can make is incandescent bulbs. Everything else they make is junk. Kind of curious to open this up because it doesn't seem like there's any obvious signs of failure. You know, a lot of times the thing will turn black down here after so many startups, or it'll look like something got burnt, but this looks totally fine. Oh well. Last time I opened up one of these on video there was a freak out about mercury, so whatever, it'll just be a mystery. Unless people really want to see what's inside, then I'll see if I'll open it up and brave another mercury freak out.